Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a schoolgirl. So she's going to wear like a frock type of thing. So normally we'll just start with the waist. Okay, so it's just like a little dent shape. And just make like a little belt type of thing if you want. But if you want it like separate, just draw one like straight line. I'm just going to make mine separate. So then we try and make the sleeves up. So it can either be long sleeves or short sleeves. Mine's going to have short sleeves, right? And we're just going to make sure that goes around the bum. Yep. And mine's going to have like a school collar. Yep. And it's the same on that other side. And I'm gonna close the outline there, like that. So if I just draw that closer, yeah, you should be able to see like little lines going through. I will show you this closer at the end. Right, so, and then we'll make a nice, like, overlapping skirt. Right? Okay. And we're just gonna do, like, a circular type of shape at the end. Okay, so we're gonna do the face, so just draw like an oval type of thing. It would be nice if it's more symmetrical, like, but if not, don't worry. Okay, so mine's like into one side, so like if you want to have cute eyes, this is the best way to do them. So draw 2 circles and then like make dark marks. So I'll show you here. Okay, so this is the demonstration of how to draw the eyes. So keep one light part, same on the other, and then just draw lines like that. And then colour this part black. Like neatly, I'm just showing a demonstration. Yeah. And then you can draw eyelashes and stuff. Okay, so since you might want small eyes, this is like a mini type of thing, so try and avoid doing that. And small, nice little eyelashes. Small, no. Okay. Right, so I've just drew the hair. And next we're gonna make the arms. So she's just gonna have like her arms coming out like that. But yours might have something different. So the other one's gonna have like a book coming out. Yep, and it's shoe time. So mine's just gonna have simple school shoes, but it depends on what you want. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm just gonna take this off so we can have a better look. So, if you like this, please click the like button, and thanks for watching again. Please subscribe. Bye.